After the place of birth, we need to write income tax permanent account number. This number is only given to Indian nationals. Foreign nationals can also take this number, but it's compulsory only for Indian nationals. Then voter ID card number. If you don't have a voter ID card number, then your national ID card number. Passport number is compulsory for foreigners. Driving license number not compulsory, optional. National ID card number is also optional. Then we need to write permanent residential address. Permanent residential address with the city, state, country, mobile number, email address. Present address may be different than the permanent address. So same details for the present address. Then some certifications that you have attached your photo. You also need to attach the photo of the applicant in the application, the person who is applying for the DIN number. Without this number we cannot apply for company name and company incorporation. Thereafter we need to attach documents. Documents include proof of identity and proof of residence, two important documents. These documents are there in attachment. Proof of address. In this case, this person is an Indian national, so we have given bank account statement as proof of address, which is signed by the applicant. It needs to be self-attested. And copy of PAN card, Indian PAN card of the applicant. This is like Indian PAN card, which is again signed by the applicant. Third thing is verification letter. This verification letter states that this applicant is not disqualified or not removed for being appointed. The applicant is not a proclaimed offender, and other important details which are mentioned in the form. This form for application of DIN number needs to be digitally signed by an attorney in India. This is digital signature. This is digital signature. So we will digitally sign the application on your behalf. So after filling up the form, it will look like this, and then only we will get the DIN number. So you need to give us some documents. So for us to process your DIN number, you need to give us some documents, which I am going to explain to you now. This is an example file for a person who was in Lebanon. In this file you can see this affidavit needs to be given by this person, where he is going to write his full name, his father's name, citizenship, residence address, resident, date of birth, present residential address is in United Arab Emirates, but permanent residential address is in United States of America. So you need to mention these both address. Then you need to sign this application. You need to stick your photograph, as well as you need to stick your thumbprint. This is an authority letter which you need to give us for filing your papers. Then you need to give your consent letter to the Registrar of Companies Mumbai for becoming a director